Hey guys, we were playing Super Nostalgia Zone. I think that's what it's called. So here we go. Alright. So, these are all the old games from back then. Let's play Deuced Fire Brick Battle first. Doomish Fire Brick Battle. You must die. You must die. Oh wait, that's my teammate. Never mind. Whoops. You must die. Yes! Gosh dang you. Oh yeah, you can customize your character. So this is mine. And I guess the chest is what team we're on? So it changes color. See, we're all a team. Goody. There's a lot of yellow team, but no green or red team. That's pretty sad, to be honest. You know what I like to do in this game? Try to make the building fall. It's really, really fun. Alright, fall. Building, fall. Fall building. I don't know if this building will fall. It's kind of hard to make it fall. New team eliminated. Yellow wins the match. Good game. No, I was just about to finish. Gosh, I don't want to play this game anymore. The Underground War. Let's do that instead. Okay. Ooh, a flag. I'm gonna start playing this more often. Because I kinda like the old games on Roblox. This is no Underground War. What do you do? There's nowhere to go. Can you go underground to the other side? I don't know. Oh, I'm not even pressing it. I think it's just... I think I need to help it there. A snipper. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's a sword. A weird shaped one. Alright, I don't want to play this game. It's not even underground. Lol. As the old chat button. Please exit. I don't want to play this game anymore. Super nostalgia. World Headquarters. I guess this is the one where you explode crap. Right? Yes, it's the one where you explode crap. My favorite. Stupid. KO. Exploded midair. Ha! He missed. No. 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 Yes! Got it. That rocket launcher is just bouncing me here. This is really powerful. No! What? What happened? I just oofed. You die like that. So this was the old Roblox before it was like really cool graphics. And that's actually true. This is the actual. And people didn't believe that this is the actual old Roblox, but it actually is. Oof. Ooh, what happened? My torso was just bouncing up and down. Whoa. Wukong. Clockwork. Clockwork. Drop the F-bomb. Boom. Boom. What was that? No. Go away. Shoo. Shoo, Pumpkinhead. Shoo. So back then, this would probably be my Roblox character. That was back then. That's what I chose. Get out of my way. Take that. Hospital? Where's the hospital? Wait, there was a hospital here? Oh yeah, over there. Go away. My gosh. This hospital has like no roof in the middle. No, not the time to glitch. I'm ready to end the game. I'm ready to play another game. Avatar. See, this is where I went. And now, instead of Roblox, it was Tix. This is what I did. Ooh. And what? Toxic. T-shirt list. Lottery ticket? I can be a lottery ticket? No, I'm not gonna be a lottery ticket. That's the regular one. And that was the got root. Oh, that's not cool either. Void. It's not really a good one. I just kind of like that one. I just in with everything. Actually, how about no? There we go. It's freaking out. Oh my gosh, it's the end of the world. I changed my Roblox character. This is what happens when you glitch out of the world. I just sneezed. Boxer, warrior. These are the old badges. Come up. All those. Tickets. And buy tickets. Nostalgia Club. Oh, look, it's the Builders Club sign. I don't know if I should keep the pants that way. Let's make it like regular. Ooh. Oldie. Oh yeah. The old Roblox is no better than the new one. Got me. You can be the cat in the hat. It's a little weird. Hey, isn't this one of the badges? I don't know. No, it's not. The thing that bothers me, it doesn't go to the back. That's why I like this one. Because it looks like, I don't know. Or this one. I like the black one. I didn't even know that was there. I think. Alright, let's... Oh, I can do this with that too. That's cool. Roblox. Haunted Mansion. Oof. I hope this doesn't count as fall damage. Only 3 players here? Come on, get 3. Doors won't open. I guess there's only one thing I have to do. Bust open the doors. FBI open up. I actually want